I'm gonna give you numbers and you will say it in Japanese, okay? What number is this?
6.
What is 6 in Japanese?
Roku.
Roku. How about that one?
Ichi.
Ichi.
16.
Yes, that's number 16.
What is 16 in Japanese?
Yeah, ni. No. What is 16 in Japanese?
Waku Ichi.
No, it's not Raku Ichi. But this is Ichi and this is Raku. How about I give you number 7?
Nana.
Nana.
What is
And-
67 in Japanese?
What is 67 in Japanese? Ro.
167.
Yeah, you're correct.
What?
And I give you another number.
9.
9. In Japanese?
Q.
Q.
7619. As 0.
And 0 is 0. Also 0. How about this one?
4.
4.
1.
How about this one?
8.
8 is
Hachi.
Hachi.
Q.
How about 4 again? 4 is
Yon.
Yon. And how about this one? 5
Go.
is Go.
Ichi.
And how about this one?
Ni.
Ni.
2.
2. How about this one?
3.
3.
San.
San. Oh, let's count in Japanese.
What happened to the number?
What happened? You crumpled them. Let's count in Japanese now.
0.
0.
1. 2. 3. 4. 5. Waku.
Is that Roku?
Yes. Nana. Hachi. Q. No more Jew. No more Jew.
Can you make the Jew? There's the Jew.
Oh, no